Walk right here.
Alright, Richie, let's see you do it.
Front's clean, my back's probably filthy.
You're funny.
Wait, watch this one.
Alright, just don't hurt yourself. Richie's is still better. He hits the ground harder. We'll have to YouTube this. Do you enjoy playing in the mud?
Yeah.
Go, Aiden. I'm gonna get a side view of you guys slipping this time. You're killing the grass. Please, guys, don't hurt yourself.
That didn't work.
Do you think Jay would do this?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, we should do this when Jay's here.
Yeah, Anna!
Alright, watch out, Daddy's coming again.
Good job, Anna. Here it comes.
Anna, move over, he's coming. Come here, Anna.
Good job, Anna. Coming.
You guys killed the grass. Go, Anna, go! Anna, why'd you roll? You okay?
I keep getting water over here. Dude, I try to like blow out. Hold my nose or whatever.
Let's do one more. Whose turn? Richie's? Watch out, Richie's coming. Freaking tidal waves, man. I want to see Jay do this too. We'll have to do it this week.
Ready?
What is it? Anna. Go, Anna, go. You're almost there. Now here comes Aiden. Just use one of the towels.
Huh?
Just use one of the towels and bring one out. Yeah, just use one of them and then just trade. Then get Anna's Dora. Watch out, Richie's turn. And then I'm gonna go. Mike, when you set it up next time, you should put it so that it's going this way. So we can kill different grass. Alright, ready? Richie's turn. Oh, too many bugs.
Yeah, there's a lot of bugs.